oceans wide with such gentle ease. B is for Bluebird, chirping so sweet, dancing on branches with tapping feet. C is for Cockatoo, feathers so bright, flopping and singing from morning to night. D is for duck, in a pond it swims, splashing in water with wiggling limbs. E is for eagle, soaring up high, spreading its wings across the sky. F is for falcon, fast as the wind, zooming through valleys with feathers pinned. G is for goose, honking with cheer, waddling down the path loud and clear. H is for hummingbird, tiny and quick, buzzing round flowers with wings that flick. I is for ibis, long-legged and proud, walking near rivers, never too loud. J is for Jaybird, blue as the sky, jumping on branches, flapping up high. K is for kingfisher, diving so fast, into the river with a splashy blast. L is for lark, singing at dawn, high in the meadow, greeting the morn. M is for macaw, colorful and cool, swinging on vines like a jungle school. N is for nightjar, hiding all day, flying at dusk when owls come to play. O is for owl, awake in the night, hooting so softly in the pale moonlight. P is for parrot, talking with flair, singing funny rhymes high in the air. Q is for quail, with the top not tall, running through grass, round and small. With the red chest bright, hopping on fences from left to right. S is for sparrow, chirpy and quick, zooming past flowers with the clever trick. T is for toucan, beak big and bold, eating juicy fruits, colors bright and gold. U is for umbrella, bird fluffy and neat, with the fancy crest and dancing feet. V is for vulture, flying up high, looking around with a sharp keen eye. Pecking away, building a nest for a cozy stay. X is for xenops, tiny and rare, hiding in trees with secret flair. Y is for yellowhammer, bright and loud, singing its song to a cheerful crowd. Z is for zebra, finch striped and sweet, singing in stripes with a chirp